Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the skin color on your makeup on Dress to Impress. So for instance, you want to put on makeup without like the custom makeup on a darker skin color on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to go to the makeup chair here, and instead of going for this one, you're going to select this one instead, and it's pretty much the same thing, but like the contour and like the highlights won't be as light. So for instance, this makeup looks a little bit too light, but if I chose this one, actually that one's the same, but this one is different as opposed to this one. As you can see, it matches her skin tone a little bit better. I don't know why this one isn't different. I think it's because it's like snow, I guess. But some of them are super different, like this one and this one. It suits that skin color a little bit more, as you can see. Oh my gosh, this one's super cute. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.